news headlines. Houses set on fire in feud over land at Chasad village. Government orders 3-day internet shutdown. No respite for More, standoff continues. Novel coronavirus cases in India rise to 119. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. In the wake of the Chasad incident, the Manipur government has ordered for complete ban on internet for 3 days in the state. Earlier in the day, villagers armed with weapons were reportedly blocking road at Sampui Junction in Chasad village area of Kamjong. No vehicles were allowed to pass the area by hundreds of cookies from Chasad village. Sources said unidentified people set afire a large tract of jhum fields already prepared for cultivation in the village yesterday. The cookies are protesting and blaming Sampui village for the arson attack. Police were not allowed to intervene by Chasad villagers, the sources said. Meanwhile, unidentified people torched several houses at Chasad in a feud over land following the arson attack. The Kamjong district administration has invoked Section 144 CRPC in Chasad, Kamjong and along the main road of Sampui area. Reports said the situation is still tense in the area. Band supporters attacked a team of Manipur police personnel last night at More. 9 police personnel, including the superintendent of police, Technopal district, and 6 Band supporters were reportedly injured in the incident. Kuki social organizations have imposed an indefinite ban on Imphal More road, demanding the state government to terminate all commando personnel involved in tracing 2 youths on 13th of March. Simmering tension prevailed in More town bordering Myanmar following the March 13 incident. A large number of protesters this morning came out to the streets of the border town in support of the ban. According to a report, a large number of police were deployed in the tension-hit town to control the situation. Reports said police used tear gas shells to disperse ban supporters. Top police officials along with Deputy Commissioner of Technopal district used loudspeakers to warn the residents against gathering in groups in view of the Section 144 imposed in the town for a month. However, many protesters defied the order, coming out to the streets, prompting the cops to use tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Sources said several were injured in the standoff. Meanwhile, reports said that the Kuki social organizations have suspended the indefinite Imphal More highway ban.
Without any proper inquiry. First, the incident
The number of novel coronavirus cases in India rose to 119 today, with Uttarakhand reporting its first case and 1 fresh case each in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. According to media reports, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today announced the closure of all gyms, spas and nightclubs in the capital till March 31st as the number of cases in the country rose. Meanwhile, Italy recorded its biggest daily death toll from the novel coronavirus, which has now claimed over 6,000 lives worldwide, forcing European governments to further tighten controls. The United States and countries across Europe are closing schools, entertainment venues and all but essential services as they step up efforts to combat the coronavirus pandemic. The consequences of China's harsh measures to halt the virus, restricting the movement of about 700 million people at one point, became apparent today when the government released economic data showing industrial output falling to its lowest level in decades and unemployment rising at its highest rate ever in February. A Bahraini woman has died from the novel coronavirus, marking the first death from the disease among Gulf Cooperation Council states. Nearly 1,000 cases of the virus have been recorded so far across the 6 nations of the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC). Spain's tally of coronavirus cases rose to 8,744 and the number of fatalities rose to 297. The previous tally was 7,753 cases yesterday with 288 fatalities. In Iran, coronavirus has killed another 129 people, pushing that toll to 853 amid 14,991 confirmed cases. South Africa will revoke nearly 10,000 visas issued this year to people from China and Iran, and visas will now be required for other high-risk countries that had been visa-free, including Italy and the United States, according to reports. Manipur Education S Commissioner T. Ranjit Singh has condemned the circulation of fake order on social media regarding postponement of classes 11 and 12 examinations 2020 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur. He was speaking to media at the office of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Babupara today. He further said that in view of the COVID-19 outbreak, an order was issued on March 12 to close all educational institutes till March 31st. He also informed that an FIR has been lodged with Cybercrime Police Station against those involved in the circulation of fake order. He also appealed to the concerned authorities to investigate the matter and take appropriate action against the wrongdoers.
Practical or theory or symbology was pogi in a quay can site the top amateur have a sima parenting the Precata Satrasinda, I Massimus Shantumba. If I am lost already, I have spoken to the subsecretary and to DCP also and to the IG intelligence also. Aduga Hyman matters say I'm seriously away to a ticket people to go Masida and the culprit Manalabasing under the rule of the law. Pasano more appropriate penal action round about FIR may some law story.
Purely driven by their concerns for the environment, 2 young educated unemployed local youths have teamed up to make Ukhrul a garbage-free town. The duo has already begun waste picking services to ensure safe house to landfill disposal of trash, sending a loud message to the public to stop littering in and around Ukhrul. 25 services derived from its Serve and Save motto is first of its kind of waste collection and disposal service initiated by Yoyung Saija and Patrick Sang in the town from their own capacities and resources. Talking to TOMTV, Yoyung said that 2S services was launched on September last year. Yoyung added that while there is a growing concern among the people over the degrading environment, there seems to be no real efforts to check the problem of waste so far.
We also like to appeal our community to kindly subscribe our service so that we can have a clean and hygienic environment for ourselves.
Federation of Haumi today said that the Federation and its 25 associated groups will not accept Laisemba Sanajawa as the titular king of Manipur until and unless he withdraws his nomination papers for the March 26 Rajya Sabha election. Federation President Sapamcha Jadumani informed this to media at the Federation office at Kaboleka, Imphal. Jadumani further expressed shocked over Laisemba Sanajawa joining electoral politics. Federation co-convener Kingsway Riahing Switten expressed displeasure over Laisemba Sanajawa filing nomination papers for the upcoming Rajya Sabha election. Riahing suggested Laisemba Sanajawa to give a second thought to his decision considering the historical significance of the state.
Government to government Haidana Adui Wapam Lake Amusu 1990 convention Panamatamda 2 days convention Panamatamda Major Egimendo Madu Lali Ibasi Miam Warip Lakeabani. And say Kudingi Major Egimen Sigi Matanga Miam Humna discussion Doba and the Masigi Mayokta Masi Sankanba Kungan Kamuleke. Masidan in Thomas Hamak Suyao given. मा मसामक यावना इन्वॉल्व तौना माजे की मिदु मतंगदा खने नैनगी मयाम सिंगदुबु नाथैरमकांदा माना राज्यसभागी एमपी ओइगनी हाइदना मसागी ओइबा मरनागी ओइबा फिरे लौबसे मसी सिंगमी तमी अखोई खुदिमकी मायोक्तनी हाइना अखोई लौदबा ngамोय
दिगेंद्रजीतना फांसी संगाइदा दोनों मागी मरेपागी तमता थवाई थाकितो अखोई तमजनिंगाइनी मधुगी कुन अदुगी ईदो अखोई मणिपुर मचा ओइना मधु कफदे अदुन ngasiगी राजनीतिकी मंत्री अदुन हेन चौदे चीफ मिनिस्टर ओयो हरितो अदुन हेन चौदे इतिहास की मरेबाद नुसीबदुना मीना लेबा ngamdaba थमोइदो मधु ताकपीगदबा इनिंथौ ओइकद्रा असी वाखलोंदा चेहन लेहंगिंगे अदुएबी हरिबन हारोपुन मना महापु थागनिंगले.
Social organizations continue to demand title king of Manipur Sembasana Jawa to abdicate throne if he is willing to join electoral politics. In this regard, a press meet was jointly organized by Iramdam Kanba Apunbalub Ikal, Lipul, Puya and Isak today at Ikal headquarters in Uripok Haidimleka, Imphal. Ikal President Obi Mola expressed discontent over Sembasana Jawa's decision to enter politics by ignoring the public sentiment. Puya Publicity Secretary Kiran Kumar Ningthauja said that the titular king's stand is against the ancient monarchy.
India gi oiba aduguma langlo aduda ining thauchu thubikinu aduna ngasi mak chakriba ase nomination file tawriba ase withdraw tawidana lebang miyam gi oina ining thau oina adum lebiu aduga karigumba MP oina chalagi haina ining thauna chapchana khanba leiragana ning thau pham ase thadu piramo haibase koi iramdam kanba apumba luki site gi ining thau da haijari
hana ining thau da koina respect to zoram bu hojite koi respect to bugi matugi upamadu lejadre hana agna respect to zaram di ning thaw amani hana respect to zaram ne du hojikti parliament ki thong da sat lage politics ta khongda rage haibani na modu akhone respect to bugi atha leitre ning thaw amagi oiba sen gadaba matik magun adu selamdre maramaduna ning thaw bu akhone respect to ningai leitre haibu pham si thamsake.
Ethno Heritage Council Harry Cohn has criticized titular king of Manipur Sembasana Jawa for his decision to contest the March 26th Rajya Sabha election as BJP candidate from Manipur. Harry Cohn President Longzam Ratan told media at council office that becoming an MP by Sembasana Jawa is synonymous to legalization of the Manipur merger agreement. Ratan said that a king must remain neutral on any state issue by not siding with any communities. He also said that his title will be tarnished if he joins any political party. The council expressed discontent for not consulting the people before making the decision and appealed to the king to reconsider it.
Magi mabudhauna tauramba porta oppose tawdana akhoi leibak miyamna amadi sanakonungni institute na sukuina laiba port ase akhoi isana yazare haina surrender tawba loinana akhoi gi manipur gi puwari da amamba akhoi gi tawhaidaba khongthang ama lokatlaga ngasai merger agreement do madubu legalize tawba chumi haina ayaba pithokpaga manai haibase masi akoina khanjaba hai wafam ase leipak miyam amati akoi nungsijaba ining thawbi mafamda akoina khanghanjaningba wafam duneba.
Pharmacy Runners Association of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal today expressed strong displeasure over the reported involvement of association member in a rape case that took place on 7th of March. Association Joint Secretary Haisnam Silan Singh clarified that the 4 accused involved in the rape incident do not belong to the association. He urged all concerned not to defame the name of the association in future.
Hemachandra Haibam Yankopam Hemachandra Haiba Nangsi, Mamang da Koi Jahi, Ahumuki Mamanga, Koi pharmacy, Yoromi, Masi, Akoi Masi Kesamadagi, Magi Mamanga, Tokiba Kesamadagi, Masi, Akoina, Associations Digi, Tantokibasi, around Nasidagi, Umuki Mamanga, Masi pharmacy, Yorombani, Adu, Masi, Akoi nurse data, Haibam Misi, Koi Tantok Sacre, Maramaduna, Haiba, Mi Marie Maxi, Akoi Pharmacy Runner Association, Haiba Group Data. ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
A 5-day-long legal awareness program under the theme Justice is Truth began today at Central Sajiwa Jail, Imphal East District. The program is organized under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Legal Aid Clinic, Manipur Central Jail in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority, Imphal. Several inmates of the jail took part in the interactive session held this morning. The program will conclude on 27th of March. Following a major fire destroyed a house yesterday at Kiam Sifai Haibong Lerak under Wangkem in Thawal District. Local MLA K. Meghachandra and Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch extended monetary assistance and essential commodities to the family today. MLA K. Meghachandra gave rupees 5,000 and 5 bags of rice to the family and assured of constructing a house for the family from the MLA Local Area Development Fund shortly. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch and Thawal District Branch handed over clothes, utensils and tent to the helpless family.
Aduna ai hande du mateng pang lak ni do mai cha ki siam noi je aduna ai de guest hoina sang sigi immediate requirement ki khara pijare aduga jumama complete jumama sabirani ai na thu matam da kalera development thongai kai si aina ai gi thwal sigi president ma moina ai gi lakai su wajaba ai district ma yu langpo ma thoktana Sumana amna Norman family waitaba ai am marup amani magi machan pa handudi Norman dudi laikitre marotok taba nga kai mungoi basida ai amna thamoi sokna ai district side ge awaba ongdu chaboina ai angam bakre mating ba nga sisina khwai nongai tabra thamoi de pawe koi mama sina ta tai si loina maron khoktaba ade leiriba fibam siga ade wana moi phut ditegi khapteru ko ko Tarab to my jacket was seeing going to Tokyo City, Tamoy, they have no idea about how. Take Tabadi, a shari, the Susian Kiji, Mangak, the Walagai, they took on Gary City. Red Koski City, Red Koski, Pinako, and the Guinea.
United NGOs Forum Yaripok today donated edible items and other essential commodities to MK Hussein Ahmed and his family at Yaripok Tulihal, Awanglekai of Imphal East District. The family's house and properties were destroyed in a major fire on March 14, besides injuring 3 family members. Sacrificed Youth Development Organization SYDO Tulihal also extended help to the family. Taking precautionary measures against the deadly COVID-19, the Assam government has ordered for shutting down of all colleges and schools till 29th of March. Assam Government Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna informed this during a press conference at Veterinary College ground in Guwahati. As per the order, the ongoing CBSE and SEBA examination are also postponed until further notice. Here is the report.
Assam has declared all schools, colleges and university closed till 29 March as a measure to combat coronavirus. Yesterday, in a press conference held at the Veterinary College ground, Khanapra, the Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna has announced that all educational institutions and cinema halls, gyms, swimming pools, zoo in the states are to remain closed till 29 of this month. Further, all exams except the ongoing CBSE and the SEBA board exams have been the call of, according to the Assam Health Department, a total of 1,775 passengers have been screened in the 6 airports of the state so far. Out of these 37 passengers have been screened at the Guwahati airport and 316 at the Mohanbari airport in Dibrugarh, 318 at the Rongya airport in Jorhat and 13 at the Silchar airport. 25 at the Lilavari airport in the Lakhimpur and 62 at the Salonibari airport in Tezpur. On the other hand, the top official of the state government said that the no positive cases have been found in Assam so far. Cameraman Toksam Depend with Hamilton Marangtam, Times of Manipur, Assam.
All churches in Mizoram held mass prayer program on Saturday and Sunday nights, seeking God's intervention to contain the deadly coronavirus pandemic. The call was given by Mizoram Coherent Ruetut Committee, MKAC, a conglomerate of 15 major churches in the state. Special prayer programs were held by some churches on Saturday night, while others also held the similar program yesterday morning and night. A church leader said that the mass prayer programs are being held to seek divine intervention to ensure that Mizoram is safe from the spread of coronavirus and its global outbreak is fully contained, according to reports. The Supreme Court today dismissed a plea filed by one of the death row convicts in the Nirvaya gang rape case, Mukesh, seeking to refile curative and mercy petitions. According to media reports, the Supreme Court has ordered dismissed as withdrawn, seeking action against the former lawyer of Mukesh, Vrinda Grover. In a plea filed through advocate ML Sharma, Mukesh Singh claimed last week that the limitation period to file a curative petition was 3 years from the date of dismissal of the review plea. Mukesh Singh's review petition was dismissed by the Supreme Court in July 2018. Singh asked the court to restore the rights available to him and allow him to file curative and mercy petitions till July 2021. Mukesh Singh is one of 4 convicts on death row in the Nirvaya rape case. The others are Pawan Gupta, Binay Sharma and Akshay Thakur. The Madhya Pradesh Assembly was adjourned till March 26 today amid the demand by BJP MLAs to hold a floor test as directed by Governor Lalji Tandon. Just after the brief address of the governor, MLAs of the BJP raised the demand for a floor test, triggering an uproar. According to media reports, Minister for Parliamentary Affairs Gobind Singh raised the issue of coronavirus threat in the country and also mentioned the central government's advisory, following which the Speaker accepted Singh's plea and adjourned the House till March 26. Earlier, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath wrote a letter to Governor Lalji Tandon, saying a trust vote would be undemocratic as Congress MLAs were held captive by the BJP. The Telangana Legislative Assembly today adopted a resolution against the Citizens Amendment Act CAA, National Population Register NPR and National Register of Citizens NRC. According to media reports, it urged the centre to amend the Citizenship Amendment Act to remove all references to any religion or to any foreign country in view of apprehensions among a large section of people in India. The resolution moved by Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao said members were concerned over the proposed implementation of the National Population Register and National Register of Citizens, which may result in exclusion of a large number of people. It urged the Telangana government to take all necessary steps to safeguard the people of the state from exercises such as NPR and NRC. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, the 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 concluded yesterday at Sibsagar in Assam. The championship, organized by All India Kung Fu Federation, started from March 12th. Host Assam claims the team champion title by winning 14 gold medals, while Manipur took the runners-up title, bagging 8 gold, 4 silver and 7 bronze medals. Nagaland won the best discipline team title in the championship. In Senda category, B. Tampasana Devi bagged the senior best fighter title, while K.H. Jatish won the best junior fighter title. They were awarded with trophy and cash prize of Rs 5,000 each. Mohammad Nawaz Sarif of Manipur team also received a special award. The International Olympic Committee (IOC) will hold talks with heads of international sports organizations tomorrow in response to the coronavirus outbreak. According to reports, with less than 5 months to go until the scheduled start of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics on July 24th, Questions have been raised as to whether the games can go ahead. However, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and Tokyo 2020 organizers have reiterated that preparations are going on for the games to be held as planned. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Feud over land at Chasad village. Government orders 3-day internet shutdown. No respite for Moraes, standoff continues. And novel coronavirus cases in India rise to 119. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.